This is the time of year to do an oil change. I got my car on ramps. Put links in the description box below. It's really helpful if you want to do a quick oil change. I got my creeper because I'm lazy. Also, I got my oil pan right here. As usual, the special socket, 8 square. Open up. Let's open it up. I go off the nerve. And right over here, this is the oil drain. Very simple. Got the old plug. Take the old crush washer. You remember that two sides, this side and the ring side. This side into the plug. The black ring goes into the plug like this. This is snug, and from here a little bit more. That's it. The oil filter is right here. Need to remove this part. You got clips on both sides. And maneuver it. It goes out. Now we got access to the oil filter. I recommend removing this plug also. You press on it and it goes down. Keep it out of the way. And let's try to remove it by hand. Alright, at least now I put, you can't really see, but I put my bucket underneath the oil pan. Now I twist it all the way off. And it's out. It's a square. Now this is the new filter. Take some of this stuff and put it here. Now we take this hose back. Don't forget about this guy. As usual, this is my funnel. This stuff, 5W40. Don't forget to empty the old oil to this empty jug. So I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.